and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. And today I am participating in the challenge hosted by Mrs. Vee and Jessica over at Measure and Mix. I will leave the links to their channels in my description box below, so you make sure you go over ahead and check them out. And as you can see, I'm standing outside because the challenge is, if I remember correctly, the outdoor Christmas porch DIY decor challenge. In this challenge, I'm going to share with you my outdoor Christmas decor and the DIY that I did. And for the DIY, I will be doing a separate video on how I did that. So yeah, let's jump into this video. And this is the before, how my front porch looked like. This is how I had it decorated for the fall. If you are interested, I will leave a link of my front porch decorated for the fall, so you can still check that out. And this is how my front porch is decorated for the Christmas season. I am really loving the outcome of this, and I will be doing a separate video because even though I have the lighting on right now, it's just not as pretty as it is at nighttime. So if you are interested in seeing what this place looks like in the evening, then make sure you come back because I will be doing a separate video really soon on that. I decided to decorate my outdoor bin to make it fit in a little bit better. And this is my outdoor DIY sign that I am really loving. As I mentioned, I will be doing a separate video on how I made this sign. And this brings this video to a conclusion. I would really like to thank Jessica from Measure and Mix and Miss Vee for hosting this wonderful challenge. I want to thank you all for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you are new, I would really love it if you would consider hitting the subscribe button and becoming a resident of my happy home. Thank you all for watching and see you again in my next video. Bye!